What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and this is a very extremely great.
That's extensive.
That's how special this video is because it's been 9 months in the making. It has literally been 9 months since I paid for this kit.
They've been making a baby. Here's the baby.
Here it is. So a lot of you may be wondering about the video that we did at Kyle's shop, other shop inside his garage, where we took off my wide body kit that was previously on the Cayman and we threw it in the trash. You remember that? And we didn't run that kit, and a lot of you guys were like, what are you doing with the kit? Why'd you put this kit on and then not run it? Well, today we can finally answer that question.
We have your answer.
It's inside this box. This box is very special. I'm excited to announce that this is the first Karma Cayman Widebody kit in Northern America. It's the second kit ever produced, period, in the world. So it's a very special project, and we get to bring this Karma Cayman kit to life.
It's a KCK?
Yeah, KCK.
KCK?
At CBD.
At CBD.
We'll take a quick pause and look at this great wall that he just got done.
Yeah.
It's very distracting. I know you're probably distracted. Yeah.
Would you just look at it?
1139 West State Street. Not only do we do Karma Caymans, Karma FRSs. You want a Lamborghini?
A Lamborghini, yeah. Lamborghini?
Yeah, we do all that. Okay. Now let's be serious because this has taken a long time. It's been 9 months. And we've never seen this kit in person. We're gonna be the first people to see it outside of their prototype. Give them potential things that could happen because we haven't opened this, obviously. It could be
as
broken.
you can see, it could be crushed because we have some bad shipping, it looks like.
Right, it's a little bit damaged. Not too crazy, hopefully that means...
It came in a crate, so hopefully that helps, but right. I don't know. It's fiberglass, it is fiberglass, so you never know what's gonna happen. We don't know fitment-wise how it's going to work. Hopefully, Karma does make some really good products, so hopefully it's right there on it. So
without further ado, we're going to stop talking. We're going to unbox this kit. We're going to see what's inside here and everything that entails with the Karma Cayman kit, and then we're going to kind of maybe mock it up to the car, potentially. It's stuck in the corner right now. That's for other reasons.
Yeah, might not mock it up today.
Okay, we'll tell you about that later. The first cut. Be careful, Kyle. It's coming from Indonesia.
I've already got my COVID shot, so we're good there too.
Really? We could have released all the COVID juices out of this box.
Releasing the COVID juices.
I'm actually extremely nervous. It has been so long since this has been like in motion and that we haven't talked to you guys about this. Now that we have the kit finally here in California, in Kyle's shop, opening up the box, I'm a little nervous to see it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm breaking the whole side down over there. Go.
I'm very excited. So as you guys can see, this is a full kit. We have a front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, splitters, front lip, wing, everything. Box is empty, put in there for structure. Nice.
Well, good thing they told us, because that would suck trying to open that box and like, oh.
It doesn't feel like it's empty. Maybe it's just full of stuff.
Watch so.
Looking at it now here, like I'm very excited. I'm stoked, like. Look, we got a swag pack.
Ooh.
What's in here?
Extra large. I don't think you're an extra large.
I'm definitely not an extra large.
Well, extra large it is.
Extra large it is.
Let's see what else you got. I think it's a hoodie or something. Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's a sick hoodie.
That's pretty dope.
All right.
What size? Is this also extra large?
Probably.
Looks like Kyle will be Karma.
Haha, I'm trying to get something for free. It's an extra large.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, Karma. We appreciate it. First thing we're gonna open up here is a fender. What I'm trying to get to over here is I see the flap. You can literally see that we're not lying over here when we say we are, look at this, Kyle Gibson 002.
Numero dos. No, is it made out of fiberglass or plastic?
It's a fiberglass.
All right, so it's not super thick, but it's also not super thin. I've seen thicker and thinner, which is good.
And what I will say from holding it right here, it looks relatively flat.
It does look, it looks really nice. Bodywork wise, we're already at 100. Yeah. That's gonna be easy for paint, easy for wrap, either way.
I'm so fucking stoked. All these literally #2. I just can't get over it.
They tell everybody you're #2.
I'm gonna cut open one of these scoops real quick and see what these look like. Extremely cool, especially when you make them in carbon fiber. However, this part is pretty intricate. You should see Kyle, you should look at the face that Kyle's making right now.
It's gonna be rough.
Right, but this is cool. This is a cool vent, is it not?
It is a nice vent.
This is a rear flare. Man, everything looks really nice.
Well, in comparison to your other kit.
Right, and look at this, Kyle. They already have the flanges cut off right here, so you don't even really need to cut them to put your wheels in.
Yeah, so it's not super thick flange on there. That's good.
Right. I'm so sorry. This thing is huge. I'm trying to figure out a good way to cut this, because...
There we go. Ta-da!
Look.
All right, let's go put it on the car real quick. Just let it sit it on.
One thing I didn't know, I thought the deck would be separate from the wing.
Oh.
It's not.
It's not. It's not separate.
This is fucking cool.
It's huge. Well,
I'm excited.
It's a totally different car now.
So also note, a fun thing that you guys are gonna watch, this rear diffuser on this bumper is absolutely insane, and I can't wait to show you guys this as well. A big key note is you're gonna see it's all coming attached. However, it's modular, so this rear diffuser can be removed from the bumper, and that's how we'll do all the other work to it. Where do we have the major damage?
Crack all along the whole bottom.
Oh man, this crack all the way along the bottom. It's unfortunate. Bumper looks great though. The Karma emblem, look at that. Fancy.
That's pretty cool.
Front bumper looks good.
Yeah, some small stuff so far. No big brackets, no big cracks or anything I see.
So like I was saying, you guys see this front lip? This whole thing is modular, so it comes off.
Same thing with the rear.
Yeah, same thing with the rear. Oh man, cracking on the side skirt.
Yeah.
Cool though.
Looks good.
Okay.
It's a lot. I didn't realize how tall this was. Look how much it's adding on to the side skirt itself. It's like part of the wide body.
Yeah.
So far, there's only, the major damage is only on 2 of the pieces. It's on the lower splitter of the, is that the driver's side skirt? Yep. And then on the rear diffuser of the rear bumper. Other than that, everything else is pretty much intact and in good condition, other than small pieces here and there, which are not a big deal at all.
So far, on our 1 to 10 scale, I would say I'd probably say we're at a high on bodywork, and we're at a low on install. So, in the middle, probably around an 8. The bodywork is great. The primer looks really good condition primer, like good primer done on it. So they're going to be smooth and ready to wrap really easily. The design of them is really, really cool. But the fiberglass is good thickness wise, not overdone, not underdone. But yeah, the install part of it is definitely going to be tricky. Trying to figure out how they're all installed, as in they don't have mounting brackets, they don't have mounting tabs, they're not pre-drilled or anything like that. They don't even have indications on where they're supposed to be drilled out. So it definitely needs to be done by a custom or body shop only.
Right.
So definitely, I think an 8.5 overall.
Insert Mr. Famous over here. Apparently you guys have been blowing up his DMs.
A little bit.
Sliding his DMs too.
Yeah, I miss all you.
Definitely sliding his DM.
Yeah, sliding Kyle's DMs. He misses everybody. Junior, your impression of the Karma Cayman Kit.
A badass kit. Really aggressive. It's gonna transform the car completely.
Can you?
What? I'm busy. Working.
He's on break. His union break.
Right.
It's gonna transform the car completely. It's gonna look so aggressive, and then with the wheels you got, superb.
Right. So here it is, the Karma Cayman Kit. We have the rear bumper, rear diffuser, side skirts, splitters, rear flares, rear scoops, rear wing, front flares, front bumper, and front lip. Like that's a ton to come in a kit. Yeah. Everything I just riddled off. Because all these parts, if you didn't know because you weren't here, these are modular. So this comes off. This isn't part of the bumper. That's a rear diffuser that's bolted to this.
Really?
It comes apart.
That's fucking sick.
That's pretty sick, right?
It's badass.
Right. This wing is probably my my favorite part. I'm not gonna lie. I fucking love it. It's crazy. Kiki, you guys did an amazing job with this Karma Cayman kit. And I cannot wait to show you guys everything that this will become.
Tyler also didn't mention this is also kit number 2 in the world.
Number 2, yeah, we showed them the VIN plates.
Oh.
Thank you to everybody who helped make this happen. There's a ton of moving parts to make this kit happen, to make me number 2, and have this be the first kit in Northern America. First, I'd like to thank Karma and Kiki, the producers and makers of this kit. I'd like to thank Mike. If you guys don't know Mike, his Instagram will be on the screen. He has an amazing Karma FRS kit, and he's an advocate for them. The kit looks great, his car looks great. And DSG, who helped facilitate this, bringing this into Northern America. I'll talk more about these brands later as you guys will become very familiar with the Karma kit and everything Karma, because we have really big plans for this. As of right now, this is an introduction to the Karma Cayman kit. This is the first ever in Northern America, second kit ever produced. You guys saw the VIN plates. I'm very excited to bring this. It's gonna be nuts. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think of the kit, if you guys are excited for the build, and subscribe, because you definitely don't wanna miss the rest of this build. We have a lot of things in store for this car, and it's gonna be crazy. We've been silent for months. I told you guys big things were coming. Big things came, and we have a lot more coming. We'll talk more about that later. We'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out of here.